Have you ever wondered when it's appropriate to hire an attorney or even reach out to one? I think the first inkling that you have that something is wrong is really the first time that you should try to reach out to an employment attorney. It's important to talk to an attorney because oftentimes you can feel like, oh, it's not that bad, or, I can rationalize this, that, or the other. And after speaking to an attorney, when we put all of the stuff through our legal lens, so let's say of the McDonnell-Douglas test, like, are you meeting your job expectations? So what's really important about that is to note that the courts have said over and over that being put on a performance improvement plan is not an adverse employment action. It really has to affect your money, your bottom line. So have you gotten back from maternity leave and they said, oh, well, you know what, because of restructuring, we're going to demote you and give you a less favorable territory. So that would be a great time to reach out to us. Other adverse actions, of course, are termination. And another adverse action, which is kind of difficult to explain, is hostile work environment. So hostile work environments, they have to be severe enough or pervasive enough to actually impact how you are doing your job. And what's most important is that they have to be based, like the environment and the treatment has to be based on a protected class. So I always use the example as a female because I'm a female. If you're a female and you feel like all the guys are being treated better than you are, then I think that is a great time to reach out to an attorney. But we've got hostile work environment, demotion, and of course, the big T, termination. And so if you want to get ahead of that and say, okay, I have this inkling, I'm using that word inkling, to reach out to somebody because I feel like I'm being targeted in some way related to me being in a protected class, that's the time to reach out to an attorney.